Driving School on Maple Street, Brooklyn, New York. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Maple Street is one of the areas that we cover here in this channel. We're gonna do our left and right. Each time that we're doing a lesson here on the neighborhood, on the area here in New York City, we'll shoot a video so you guys can have an idea how we do lesson here in Brooklyn. If you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Now in Brooklyn, when they have street side cleaning, many cars have double parking so they can clear the area. So that's why we see many cars have double parking. Because normally we're not supposed to be driving on the bike lane, but if car park double park, we left with no other choice but to drive on the bike lane, otherwise we won't be able to move. Nevertheless, you have to be mindful for bikers, you know, because their lane is being taken because of the double parked cars, doesn't mean that they might not be able to ride. You have to pay attention to that. Open doors, okay? Always expected, unexpected, always expected, unexpected, all right? So that's why we make sure you stay on top of these lessons so we can give you all the tips thereof. See, fully paying attention here. This lesson here on Maple Street, Brooklyn, New York. You see the humans? Good. Whenever you see the humans are coming in, you cover your brake, okay? And let it roll up. A lot of car double parks. So blind spot in front of the car. That's why I was covering the brake, squeezing in. Okay, left turn here. Our left, shoulder left. Okay, because ahead we already see the street is black. We're forward planning that move. Now we're gonna go around it. As you're driving, always look ahead and see what's going on and adjusting yourself accordingly. Otherwise you're gonna get stuck. Right turn here, all right, shoulder right. See, we're going around it, get right back in the street. Gonna signal on left here, mirror left, shoulder left. Okay. And keep it going all the way until we cleared all this thing here. Your eyes. Thank you so much. All right, shoulder right. Got taking a red light, folks. Continue to go here. Always looking ahead and forward planning all your moves. Signal your attention. Your left, shoulder left, and go around. Your right, shoulder right. Everything we do contrary from going straight, we signal all your attention. Signal. Shoulder right. Front back. Shoulder right. All right, folks, there you have it. This lesson was on Maple Street, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here in New York City. Like, share, and subscribe. Anything you want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.